Namaste, Vanakkam, Hare Krishna, and welcome to Conscious Cooking with me, Anuradha. Today we're making an egg-free version of the English crumpet. We will start with 1 cup of self-rising flour, and we will add about half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to this. And in this bowl, we're going to add about a cup of milk, and we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and we're also going to add a little bit of vanilla essence for some flavor. And we're just going to whisk our wet ingredients quickly. And now we're going to add this to our flour mixture, a little at a time. And the final ingredient we're going to add now is about 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And just mix all that together again very nicely. Nice good surface area, so I can actually make more than one at a time. Can be a little bit messy. Right, we actually fit it in 3. And now we're going to let it cook, and we will know that it's getting there by the bubbles that appear on the surface. And at this point, we can make our crumpets even more interesting. So for this one, I'm going to add 1 or 2 chocolate chip cookies. And I'm going to add some cranberries on this one. And finally, I'm going to add some walnuts on this one. You'll notice how these bubbles are appearing. So they're now ready to turn and flip. And we'll just let the second part cook over now. So today we're going to be serving our English crumpets with a dollop of fresh cream. We're going to also use some of these lovely strawberries, and we're just going to drizzle it with some syrup, and we're going to finish it off with a dusting of icing sugar and some cinnamon. And there you have some delicious egg-free English crumpets for breakfast.